So my camera, we didn't find the SD card for my one camera, and then the camera I was using just stopped working again, so I'm now using my phone. I did clean the inside of my car. I'm tanning till probably noon. Then I'll clean the outside of my car. Then I'll go to Home Goods and maybe Hobby Lobby. But for now we're tanning. Tanning.
Just let him work for a little bit.
You're my dog. My dog. They don't seem to mind. So I tanned for a little bit. Then I started cleaning the outside of my car after cleaning the inside. I'm gonna change. Then we're gonna go to Home Goods. Maybe Target. Towel for my beach trip. Now we're going to Target. I hope you have my face in there. Okay.
I do. Do I just press it again?
Yeah. We're at Target! I'm gonna put everything back into my car. I'm gonna let the oil sit in my hair. I'm gonna dye my eyebrows. I'm gonna shower. And then I'm gonna clean my room once again. And then change out my wardrobe like I said yesterday. But I didn't get to it yesterday, so. So I have showered. My hair is all clean. I'm really shiny. I do gotta go grocery shopping first because my mother isn't here and my sisters won't do it, so I'm going, since I always go with my mom anyways. Did make my bed off camera. Sorry. I got like 50 blankets on there. Yeah. Little cat blanket for the kitties so they don't put the dirt on my blanket. As you can see, he's dusting up my bed. And I think it's very comfy. Would you say so, Pumpkin? Okay, thank you.